Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Yesterday, the US markets were closed, but today morning, US futures are lower. That's because usually the day when monthly jobs data or the inflation data comes, so that day US markets will be very, very jittery. But today, important data, monthly jobs data. So that will be coming today evening. So US futures are lower. Asian markets are mostly down. I think all Asian markets are down. No need to say that GIFT Nifty is down because when the entire global markets are in green, we continue to fall. When the entire global markets are in red, so no need to say that we will be down. But what is the worrying factor? Number one, the GIFT Nifty indicates, a Nifty opening lower than yesterday's low. Yesterday, the Nifty future low was 23,612. Talking about the future, not the spot. Now, the Nifty future equivalent to GIFT Nifty is trading about 30 point lower than that. So, which means that, if Nifty opens as per GIFT Nifty indication, number one, Nifty will means open lower than yesterday's low, and it will also break the day before yesterday's low. So that is very, very bad sign. So as I have always been saying, the more the market testing the resistance, ultimately resistance will be broken on the higher side, and the more the support is being tested on the lower side. So ultimately that support will be broken. Now 23,500 is considered to be a major support. So if that is broken, then the next one is the November low, that is 23,270 or something. Right? So which means that Nifty can fall another 200 to 50 point, but that will be I would say it's quite disappointing, because in the month of November, after testing 23,270, the market has actually recovered nearly 1,500 point. Nifty went close to 24,800. Again falling, that's very, very bad. But what to do? Sometimes it happens. No. Maybe the Nifty might go there, then after that it may reverse by making a double bottom. So that we'll see later, but right now the probability of market going down looks higher than the probability of market going higher, right? So that is something very bad. And TCS, after the results, is likely to be very volatile. There is a bad news in TCS also. Actually, sometimes good news become a bad news. TCS has declared 10 rupees dividend, interim dividend, plus 66 rupees as a special dividend. So taking the total dividend to 76 rupees. So that is good for shareholders, because shareholders will get a lot of money. But, around the same amount, the TCS spot may fall. So for calculation of the Nifty, so the dividend is not taken into account. So only the spot price of TCS is taken into account. So that may wipe out few points in Nifty. Of course, TCS is not the index heavyweight. Infosys is an index heavyweight. That's because the public shareholding is less in TCS. Public shareholding is more in Infosys. Infosys, TCS is a number one company, but when it comes to market capitalization, a free float market capitalization, so that's a number two. Okay. So that is another bad news. So yesterday we had one very good news and one very bad news. The very good news first, the money flowing into mutual funds have hit another record high. So 33 new fund offers came in last month, and then retail people, SIP, at all-time high of about 26,000 crore something. The total about 41,000 crore came into the market from the retail money. So dividing that into 20 trading session, So each trading session, domestic institutions can afford to support the market for 2000 crores per day. Okay, so that is something very good. But at the same time, there was something very bad also. FIAs have sold for 7,000 crores. So such a big amount usually happens when there was some economic news or some kind of a news flow, or at least there was some event. So yesterday, no event, no news, nothing. Just in a normal market, that too at this lower level, FIs can sell for 7,000, right? So the question is, when are they going to stop? So a lot of questions, right? Number one, so when these FIs are going to stop selling, what is their problem, right? So why are they selling India like so aggressively for no reason? So that is one thing. If you're looking for intraday, there are few other questions. Number one, will HDFC Bank stop falling? Past 5 trading session, every day it fell 25 rupees. So whether it's going to continue to fall, or what is going to happen to TCS, and what is going to happen to other IT stocks as collateral damage. So if TCS fall big, then other IT stocks will also fall. May not be as big as TCS, but I still feel that these reserves or dividends and all these things are probably already factored in. So because in the last 1 month, TCS has fallen about 10 to 12%. So probably most of these negatives have already been factored in. The results are not really very bad, right? So again, will Reliance support today, right? And then last but not least, for the last 2 trading session, mid caps and small caps are doing badly. Large cap is supporting the market. So will that support continue? With that outperformance of the large cap will continue. So we will get the answer for all these questions today. Today's trading is very important because today is the first trading session after starting the corporate result. For the next 1 week, there are no important results. So the next important result is only on next Thursday, that is Infosys. So right now, as I told you yesterday, the markets are bearish. Time to sell call options aggressively, but this market is not likely to bounce back. But again, who knows? In the past, many times I've observed when the markets were outrightly bearish in every front, so that is when markets bottom out. So markets are weak, but anytime it can bottom out, it can shoot up. So that is the weak. So we will get some kind of indication today, but looks like yesterday's low will be broken at least in the first 30 minutes or so. So what is going to happen after 30-45 minutes when this TCS settles down? So let us see, looking at the open interest, because yesterday is a weekly option. So there's no need to look at those open interest and this and that. Today only the open interest will be built. Probably yesterday, because of this TCS results, people will not have built heavy positions. So, but looks like 23,500 to 24,000 is the range I'm keeping in my mind. But looks like downside it may break by another 200. So broadly speaking, 23,300 to 24,000 may be the range for next few sessions. So let us see what is going to happen. But things are not looking very good. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.